I'm doing an additional video here on the ordering of sheet steel. Um, we learnt something in the last training session and I think it's important to show. So let's see how far I get. So I'm going to do a purchase order entry here and I'm specifically focusing on sheet steel. So I'm going to just create a new one here. Again, the PO number's left blank until you hit save. We're going to pick supplier. I'm going to go Tata because I know how to spell it. So in here, you're going to put in your due date. So I'm going to say I want this by Friday. Now, coincidentally, promise date is just like a tracking one. So, say for example, you give the supplier an order and they've told you over the phone or by email that yes, it's going to come in on the 11th. So this just allows you to track correspondence dates, for a better word. So we've done that. We're going to hit save and this will bring in the plus button. So we're going to go lines detail and I'm going to add a new line. So I'm just going to show you this and again you'll know these codes anyway off the top of your head, but if you go S275 dash, so I'm particularly going to work here in 3mm for this test, and one of the unique things is you have to put something in here, right? So I'm going to put in here that I want 5 sheets of something. Again, that number doesn't matter, it's going to disappear. You pick your attributes. So in here we're going to add a new attribute and I want 5 sheets of this particular stock size, and it turns out we do have to key these in. There's some column missing here, so 1620 1500, and we've said the 5 sheets. So whenever we hit plus here, it's going to say do you want to convert, and it's converted the 5 sheets into 12.15 square meters. Now before my last training I would have gone back and added another line, but we're going to add another line from here, and again we're doing S275 3mm. And I'm just making a note here, say I wanted 6 sheets of something. Go to attributes and we're going to hit plus here, so we're going to say 6 sheets of this 2000 by 1000. Now this is where we were going wrong before. We were adding multiple lines, but you don't have to do that. So if you're ordering the same thickness of steel, just go here and create a new line here. So I can now order 5 sheets of a different dimension, 1200 by 615. I can add another line. This time I'm going to order 20 sheets of let's pick a popular one this time, 3 by 1.5, 500, and I'm going to hit OK. And do you want to convert? So what has that done for us? That means that on the purchase order we will have, see we've got 2 lines here. That's because on the first round I did 2 individual lines, but actually on line 2 we've got releases. So see under the releases we've got 3 lines of 3mm here. So I'll just show you this because I'm going to go in here, approve the purchase order, and I'm just going to show you how it prints differently. So the previous printing method that I had shown you, it sort of takes up too much paper, a wee bit hard to read. So we're just going to bring this purchase order in So you'll see here the first one we did one line, and then we did a different way. So this is that second release. So in other words, this is what the supplier of the steel would see. So they're saying, right, NC's looking 3mm steel, and they're looking at in 6 off 2x1, 5 off this. Now I'm going to go in and fix why it does that. Just take a note of that. 3mm by 615. Okay, and then the last one there, it's 20 off 3 by 1.5. Again, this one here I'm going to fix. That's an oversight in my part. But you'll just see there that it squishes it together better within the 3mm banding. So hopefully that helps in our ongoing learning.